Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can check network speed. So the first step you need to do is to open Chrome browser and you need to search for internet speed test. Okay, and you need to open the first website, that is speed test. Okay, so once you are on this website you can download the app of this website as well, but I want to check on this website, so you simply need to click on go and it start checking your internet speed. So you need to wait and okay, so I want to allow my device location, so here you can see that now it is checking my speed of, and once it checked it will give me report after the checking. So here you can see that now here you can see that my download speed is 19.53 MB. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.